Hello Virgo, this will be reading for mid-month of March. So let's start your reading. You got divine healing. I see most of them are like healing in the mid-month. I see you especially heart chakra. I see like people who are like emotionally drowned or something. It's time to heal for you in the mid-month. I see a lot of healing work going on in the mid-month. The next card you have is prayer and contemplation. So this says that connect with heaven, ask and you shall receive. It's time to connect to your intuition, your divine, your spirituality, so that you can ask something for divine and you will be received by divine. And you have got like inner strength, maybe dealing with a Leo here. I see like working on your inner power, inner work or something. I see like in the mid-month it's all about you. I see like you're working on yourself, giving yourself a priority and just healing yourself. I see most of them like in the mid-month you're going to have a clarity that what you should release in your life. It is a person or it is a way of thinking or something. I see you getting some kind of a clarity so that you can release that and you can accept some kind of a new opportunity in your life. So I see you like in the mid-month finally you're going to get some kind of a clarity that what you should release. And I see like there's going to be a meditation and contemplate. You got twice these cards. So this tells like you have to work on yourself, inner self, especially like in case if you're overthinking or assuming so many things or something. It's time to work on yourself and just be ready for new journey. For some people you may be dealing with a Pisces here, or this situation may have occurred in a Pisces moon. I also see like this Pisces moon, it's like may have affected so many people here, and I see like this is going to happen. Suddenly this Pisces moon have brought you like some energy of working on yourself. Finally like you may suddenly shift to the energy of self-worth or something like that. So I see like this Pisces moon may have brought you a big change in your life. Divine is telling that you are very close to what you are going to achieve in your life. So you may be like working so much regarding something here and you may have not got any kind of an outcome regarding that, but finally you're going to get some kind of a result. You have Scorpio moon. You may be dealing with a Scorpio also. It's time to work through your fears. So maybe like you're just having some kind of a fear within yourself, and so you're not ready to like let go of something, I feel, and it's time to work on your fear. As soon as you work on your fears, I see like you're going to get inner strength and you'll be ready to release anything which is stopping you. Divine is telling also to connect to your divine magic. So it's time to connect to your intuition and just listen to whatever your intuition is wanting to tell. And also have patience and pursuance. So this tells like it's time to be patient and just work on yourself, and you should like, it's like not like suddenly there's be a shift within yourself, sudden changes. It takes time for you to work on yourself and move out of some kind of a past thing, but patience is very important here. Divine is also telling like it's time to clear any kind of a space, especially negative thoughts, negative thinking or something. It's time to release that and just work on yourself. And it's time to like do things which you think it's right. Do your own things. It's all about like doing things which you feel it's right, and nothing to worry, because divine is telling whatever you're wishing to do, if you do that, it's going to lead you to a right place for sure. Don't doubt yourself here. And divine is telling that your wish will be granted here. There'll be a lot of like things you may feel like it's not going to happen or something. So if you're wishing for something, it's going to happen for the mid-month. The emotion side, when I speak about for the mid-month, I feel like I see like looking at some people's, or it can be friends or family, or it can be like any kind of a stranger or something. By looking at them, there can be a sympathy which can evolve within yourself. By looking at them, you may feel like some kind of sympathy. I feel this mid-month, I feel like looking at someone, you may feel like too bad towards them. You may feel like you have to do something for them. So maybe like something helping or something you're wishing to do for some people here. For others, like it's like you're feeling sympathetic to things. How like you may feel like you're not able to handle things. You may feel like I'm not able to do. It's like you feel like you may feel like giving up or something here. But it's divine is telling like no, it's time to just work on yourself and everything will be received. Whatever you wish, it will be received for sure. you have like anger and change. So this tells like because of someone doing wrong to you, you may feel very angry, or the way they are treating you. Maybe like you're not happy with how they're treating you. You may feel like very anger to that, and this anger may lead to some kind of a change in your life. So this anger is letting you to have some kind of a change within yourself, and I see you like moving forward here with this beautiful change. Okay, when I look into your past, you got Knight of Cups and the Page of Cups. It can be like you may have offered some kind of a cup of love to an individual with an offer. For some people it can be like offer with an apology. Maybe you have apologized some person here, or person you are dealing with, and you may have offered a cup of love here in the past. Or it can be a situation where you may have lot of emotion towards an individual, and you may have apologized them. You got Page of Wands and Ten of Swords. Something may have ended in the past. Suddenly someone may have ended. Maybe this apology or something emotional offer may have not worked out in the past, and this may have ended, and you were like, okay, you accepted and you were ready to move forward. For some people it can be the form of message or something. I feel like for some people it's a situation where regarding message, by message you may have got to know something has ended, or it can be a situation where something you may have felt like it's going to work out, but because of some kind of a message, or someone may have not sent a message, or regarding some kind of a message thing, I feel like you may have got to know some kind of an ending has occurred. You got Two of Wands and Ace of Coin. There's a new opportunity, especially like money side, career side. I see you like moving forward towards this new opportunity in the past, or you're waiting to move towards this opportunity, but there's an opportunity for sure here in the past. When it comes to a person, they got Two of Coin and the Three of Cups. They may be juggling between two people, I feel, or two situation or something. They're just not happy, like they don't know clarity, they don't have any kind of a clarity that which situation is going to make them happy. So they may be juggling between two situation here, whether it can be between two people or it can be like two paths. They got Ace of Wands and the Ten of Cups. They may had like new journey, or it can be like new start with someone. Ten of Cups here in the past. I don't see it's you, I see like some other person here. And when I clarified this Ace of Wands, I got like 10 of Coin, 10 of Wands and the 5 of Wands. Okay, they may have started a new start with an individual here who is a 10 of Cups, and this 10 of Cups had brought a lot of burden for them, lot of they got a stability, but they got burden also, they got conflicted also. So this energy they may have jumped into something in the past without thinking which is right or wrong, and they may be stuck here with something, with a commitment or something here. And even though they jumped here, then they have realized that the situation they have jumped in, it's brought a lot of burden for them and a lot of conflict for sure. They got 4 of Coin and the 9 of Cups. There may be a situation where it's like they're holding their independence out, they just want to be independent or something from this connection they're dealing with in the mid-month. They're just choosing to just hold back their energy and just look into the singlehood. I don't see them giving any kind of an energy to this commitment they are in for sure for the mid-month. When I clarify this 4 of Coin, they got like 5 of Coin, 7 of Coin and the 4 of Cups. Okay, I see them strongly. You may be dealing with a Taurus because Taurus energy is like same like this. So if you are like dealing with a Taurus, please do check that video. I see that personally they are just want to leave this person behind, whomever they are dealing with. It can be like they're choosing to leave something behind in order to perceive you, because they may have rejected you in the past, but they're waiting for the right time to reach out to you and work things out with you. But before that, they have to leave someone here behind. So in the past, they're thinking to leave someone behind, but they didn't do that still. I feel they're just having an idea of that. Let me check your current, your energy for the mid-month of March. the Fool card, it's your card, your energy. Knight of Wands, Tower, the Emperor, okay, King of Wands and the Elephant. Let me clarify this Elephant. Okay. So you got like the Fool and the Knight of Wands. So this tells like you may be like turning back from this energy of reaching out to someone, or like moving, like you may be like flirting with them like before, like you may be wanting to speak with them or something, maybe trying to speak to them or something, but you're turning back from this in the mid-month and just moving forward, taking leap of faith and just moving forward in your life. Tower and the Emperor, maybe dealing with a Scorpio or a Virgo, or it can be Aries, but I feel like this Tower moment, sudden this situation or sudden realization whatever happened in the past, this situation may lead to you in the month like mid-month of March, like you may take your control back, you may be like very guarded, you may be like emotionally controlled, you may be like working on yourself here, you may be like totally a new person after some kind of a some kind of a hurt here. You got King of Wands and the Hierophant, maybe dealing with a fire sign or a Taurus here. So when I clarify this Hierophant, you got like Empress, Page of Swords and Three of Cups. I see that you're just observing a Taurus or a fire sign or someone you're observing here from far. This observing is not letting you to be stuck. You're just working on yourself and also observing this individual. You're just stalking them, just like you're like you don't want anyone, you're in the friend, you're like I don't want anyone, I'm just independent or something, but you're still eager to see them from far and observing them because you're still having hope within yourself that there may be a possibility of reunion with them. But you may not, like it's like even though you have this feeling of wanting a reconciliation, you may be not accepting within yourself, you may be feeling like you're yeah, I'm just finally moving forward, you may be feeling that, but finally I feel like there's an energy of you like stalking them for having a hope of reconciliation, but you may be not agreeing that, you may be thinking like you don't want them or something, but still I see you being interested, but this interest is not letting you stop from doing anything else. I see you like working on yourself and moving forward. Let's see your person's energy for the mid-month. I see them working on yeah, now I understood why you're angry. Okay, I see like they are working on their conflict, confusion or something. They got Fire Wands and the Page of Coin. They're working on some kind of a conflict or some kind of a confusion here. Queen of Coin and the Four of Cups. They may be working on some kind of a rejection or someone to like they may be working on to reject someone here. They may be working themselves, so and they may be like rejecting someone else, or they may be in a process of working themselves, and so they may be not accepting some kind of a cup. I think so it's yours. They're not accepting your love offer, or they're not looking at you, I feel, in the like in the future, in the mid-month. 10 of Coin and the Strength. So they may be still dealing with some kind of a 10 of Coin, that is a commitment. They may be still dealing. Let me clarify this. Something in the past, it may be like they may be hurt regarding some kind of a past or something, I guess. So they feel like they have to end this, or something they have ended in the past and they're not happy with that. Now let me clarify the Strength so that I get a clarity. Okay. They may be secretly wanting a commitment with you or a reunion with you for sure, but I don't see them expressing that because they may have felt like someone, maybe they have left you in the cold, or you may have left them in the cold. In case if you have left them in the cold, they're not able to reach out because they're hurt. In case they have left you in the cold, they're like feeling like whether it's right to reach out or not. They have a pride, they don't know like whether it's right to reach out or not. But they're not happy that between you both something has ended here. And still, even though they're working on coming out of connection, I don't see them coming also for sure. I see them like still they're stuck with this 10 of coin, and so they're just working on that. Even though they have feelings for you, they're not reaching out, they're not coming out because they feel it's out of comfort zone. They feel like it's too much they have to do to come out. They may feel like very stuck by this commitment, so they may be not able to reach out to you. So that's what I see, Virgo. I hope it resonates. Thank you. In case if this video resonates, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.